Hello hungry buddies, my name is Irene Zaragoza. Today it's macaroon kiss cookies time. Here are our ingredients. To start, we have here our cream cheese. This is 8 ounces of the cream cheese, 1 egg yolk, 3/4 cup of the granulated sugar, 1/3 cup of the softened butter, melted softened butter. Then I have here 1 1/4 cups of the flour. And with this, I will put 2 tablespoons or 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1, 2, and 1/4 teaspoon of the salt. And then we'll just mix it. Then I have here 3 cups of coconut flakes. Okay, let's move on. We have to cream the cream cheese, and then let's add the egg, the sugar, and the butter. Then mix. Until it gets creamy, like so. Now our cream cheese mixture is creamy. Then we have to add our flour. Now our butter or our flour and cream cheese mixture is well combined. We have to add now our coconut flakes. And before we forget, we have to add 2 tablespoons of vanilla and mix well. And add more coconut flakes. And mix well. Now our mixture looks like this. So to make our coconut macaroon uniform in size, we have to use the ice cream scooper. And I have here the pan, so we have to put it here. And then on this side, I have the remaining of the coconut flakes. So we'll make a ball of this mixture, and then throw it on the coconut, and then put it in our cups, like so. Easy, right? so. And then roll it in coconut and put it on this. And then we have to bake this on 350 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes or until they become brown. Our macaroon is ready to go to the oven. Our macaroon is out from the oven. Ta-da! Look at that! Now it's time for us to put the kisses, the Hershey's kisses. Yes, just leave it like that. Oh, is that beautiful? See? Yes. You can have this for a gift for your neighbors, friends, and loved ones. It's December time, gift giving time. Let's try. I have one here without the chocolate because I want to try and taste the real one. That's good. Creamy. So creamy in the middle. This is an easy way of cooking or making macaroon. Yep, delicious. So give it a try and thank you for watching. This is Irene Zaragoza with Hungry Buddies. See you next time. Bye bye.